Are you ready to uncover the best places to live in Montana and explore what this captivating state has to offer for newcomers?
Whether you're contemplating moving to Montana in 2023 or simply curious about what this enchanting state has to offer you, you're in for a treat.
Join us as we unbox the best places to live in Montana this year.
In this video, we will be your guides, sharing the inside scoop on the most desirable and exciting places to call home in Montana for 2023.
From the serene beauty of mountain towns to the urban charm of the bustling cities, we've got you covered.
So whether you're a future Montanan or just curious about the state, get ready to explore the best places to live in Montana in 2023.
It's time to unbox Montana's potential. Hi, I'm Kim.
And I'm Corey from BDR Realty.
Welcome to our YouTube channel,
where we're always on the hunt for your dream property.
In this video, we'll share with you the best places to live in Montana, highlighting what the Montana lifestyle is like. So if you're planning to move here or just visit, let's kick off your journey traveling this amazing state in style.
Montana, often referred to as the Treasure State, is a land of grandeur, a place where the beauty of nature meets the warmth of its community.
As we step into the year of 2023, Montana beckons with its promise of a life well lived, offering some of the best places to call home in the United States.
Whether you're considering to move to Montana, curious about this remarkable state has to offer, or simply seeking an ideal place to raise your family, this video guide will unbox Montana's potential, so you would have a clear picture before you decide to make the move to the Treasure State.
We will explore the top cities and communities that make Montana one of the most coveted places to live in 2023, focusing on factors like quality of life, education, outdoor opportunities, and community spirit.
Let's begin our journey with Chapter 5, The Allure of Montana.
What is Montana like in 2023?
Montana is a state that defies easy description. It's a place where untamed wilderness stretches as far as the eye can see, where towering mountain peaks reach the big sky, and where your friendly communities welcome with open arms.
Even in 2023, Montana continues to exude the charm that has made it a sought-after destination. The state remains a sanctuary for outdoor enthusiasts, offering adventures like
fishing, hiking, skiing, anything outdoors can be found.
But Montana is not just about its natural beauty, it's also about its people. The sense of community here is strong, where neighbors look out for each other and relationships are built to last.
It's a state that embraces a slower pace of life, where quality trumps quantity, and the simplicity of living is cherished.
Chapter 4, Top Cities to Live in Montana. Number 1, Bozeman, the academic and adventurous hub. Bozeman remains to be a top choice in Montana for living in 2023. Located in southern Montana, the city maintains a reputation as an academic and adventurous hub. Home to around 54,000 people, residents can enjoy a blend of intellectual pursuits and outdoor adventures. Bozeman is the home to Montana State University. It has a lively downtown scene, and its proximity to Yellowstone National Park makes it an attractive location. A burgeoning job market adds to the city's appeal, along with an influx of employees who can work from home. Bozeman offers a balanced lifestyle with numerous opportunities.
Number 2, Missoula, the cultural gem. Missoula, often dubbed the cultural hub of Montana, continues to shine in 2023. It's home to approximately 75,000 people and is located in western Montana. The University of Montana is also located in Missoula. It is a city where the arts thrive and the outdoors beckon. Culture and nature coexist harmoniously. The Missoula community places a premium on live music, theater, a sense of togetherness. There is an access to rivers like the Clark Fork and several walking and biking trails. Missoula stands as an ideal location, especially for nature enthusiasts.
Number 3, Helena, the historic capital. Helena is Montana's capital city, and it combines a rich history with a charming present. Located in the heart of Montana, it is home to 33,000 people and Carroll College. It remains a city where the past gracefully intersects with the present. Helena offers a quieter pace of life compared to the larger cities, making it an ideal place to raise a family. Helena boasts excellent schools and a strong sense of community. Its appeal for family endures.
Number 4, Kalispell, the gateway to Glacier National Park. For those who yearn a small town feel with easy access to one of the nation's most breathtaking national parks, Kalispell is the answer. The smallest of towns discussed, Kalispell has a population around 26,000 people and is located in northwestern Montana. As the gateway to Glacier National Park, this charming town continues to enthrall nature enthusiasts. Kalispell offers a welcoming community, a range of family-friendly recreational options. It's where outdoor adventures become a way of life.
Billings, the economic powerhouse. Billings is Montana's largest city by far, with approximately a population of 119,000 people. It's located on the prairie in southeastern Montana, where the sky stretches forever and is surrounded by farms and ranches. People moving to Billings are taking advantage of lower unemployment rate and a lower cost of living. Billings offers a blend of urban convenience, abundant outdoor opportunities, which creates a dynamic environment for residents.
Chapter 3, Raising Your Family in Montana.
Why is Montana an ideal place to raise your family?
Montana Allures extends beyond its stunning landscapes and thriving cities. It's also a fantastic place to raise a family in 2023.
The state continues to prioritize education, safety, and a wholesome quality of life. Low crime rates, excellent schools, and a strong sense of community make Montana a nurturing environment for children.
From outdoor adventures to cultural experiences, Montana offers a well-rounded upbringing that instills a love for nature, learning, and community. The best places to live in Montana 2023.
Montana continues to shine as the best place to live in the United States. With its breathtaking landscapes, thriving cities, and a strong sense of community, it's a state that appeals to a diverse range of individuals and families.
Whether you're drawn to the academic and adventurous vibe of Bozeman,
the cultural richness of Missoula,
the historic charm of Helena,
or the gateway to Glacier National Parks in Kalispell,
or the economic opportunities of Billings, Montana, offers a multitude of options to suit your lifestyle and aspirations.
Now, for our bonus tip, embrace Montana's outdoor lifestyle.
One of the most remarkable aspects of living in Montana is its outdoor lifestyle.
As you settle into your new home in this beautiful state, make it a priority to explore the outdoors.
Whether it's hiking in the rugged mountains, fishing in the pristine lakes, or simply taking a leisurely strolls in your community park,
Montana's natural beauty is your playground. Engaging in nature not only promotes physical well-being, but also allows you to connect with your new community.
Join local clubs like hiking clubs, fishing enthusiasts, or even bird watching. These activities only introduce you to like-minded individuals, but also deepen your appreciation for Montana's spectacular landscapes.
As we wrap up our journey through the best places to live in Montana in 2023, remember that Montana is not just a state, it's an invitation to a life well lived where you can truly unbox your potential and embrace the best that life has to offer under the big sky.
So whether you're thinking about moving to Montana, seeking the best places to live, or simply curious about what the state is like,
Montana welcomes you with open arms, offering a world of opportunities, experiences, and a chance to call this remarkable state your home.
If you would like to know more about the tips of raising your family in Montana, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, we are
Kim
and Corey from BDR Realty.
You can get in touch with us through our contact details in the description box below.
If you have any questions or remarks for us, then please leave them in the comments section below, and we would be more than happy to answer them for you. See you in the next video.